What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a 90s inspired look, and I'm gonna start off with my brows using precisely my brow. I'm not gonna overdraw my brows today. I know, shocking. But back in the 90s, they actually tweezed their brows and they were a little bit thinner back in the 90s. So I'm gonna keep my brows a natural shape today. I know, shocking. Alright, now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and clean up my underneath my brow just a little bit. And guys, why is this the first time my brows actually look good in a long time? So I guess I'm going to start doing my brows like this, because they really look on fleek today. Like, yes, Dreka, finally. I don't know what I was doing, but I literally have no rhythm whatsoever. But anyways, I'm going to blend that LA Girl Pro Concealer out on my eyes and use that as an eyeshadow base. And now I'm going to take my Morphe Second Nature palette. And then I'm going to take this white frosted shade and pop that underneath my brow bone. Or on my brow bone. Because back in the 90s, that's all they did was have that white looking frosted shade underneath their brow bone. And for the eye, I'm going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take a darker brown shade in the same palette and put it in the outer crease of my eye to add some definition. Now I just took that lighter shade and popped that on my lid. I wanted to have like a simple sultry type of look, because that's so 90s to me. And yeah, guys. Now, of course, I had to use my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. Duh. Now I'm going to take my Clinique mascara and use that. This mascara is really good, guys. Like, literally, so good. I probably won't buy it again because it probably cost a lot. And I didn't pay for it the first time because I got it as a free gift when I was working at Ulta. But yeah, now I'm going to take my Baby Skin Primer, Poreless Primer, and prime. And I'm going to set that with my Fit Me in the shade Dark 40, I believe. And I'm going to set that primer. As always, I always do this, and y'all know why, because Jackie does it. And if Jackie does it, I'm going to do it. Period, poo. Alright, I'm going to use my favorite foundation. Well, one of my favorite. Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 370. And I'm going to start off with a stippling brush on my forehead so I won't mess up my brows. Then I'm going to move to a bigger foundation brush for the rest of my face. Yeah. And I'm going to blend that out. Blend that out. Ayy. Blend that out. Ayy. Alright, now I'm going to take my Kylie concealer and conceal / highlight under my eyes, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Alright, now I'm going to take that Juvia's Place concealer in a shade 10 and just add a little bit under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit, because I feel like back in the 90s they used to do a really bright under eye. Well, that's what I've seen in the pictures. Maybe it was flashback. Now that I think about it, I don't know. But yeah, it was cute, I guess. But I did it, so oh well. Y'all, I had such a hard time blending this out. Like, it took me a little good minute. I could not get it to blend out for nothing. I think it was that Juvia's Place concealer. It's so watery. But your girl ended up doing it anyway. I had to go from a brush back to a sponge. But in the end, it was cute. And then I took my freaking Fenty Beauty loose powder in the color Nutmeg. Y'all, I will not be using this again, unfortunately. It leaves such a bad cast, and I'm not here for that. So she got to go. Then I use my Black Radiance powder for the rest of my face. Well, not the rest of my face, for my highlight. Then I where'd she go? Where I went? Oh, there I go. I'm so ugly. I'm so freaking ugly. Then I freaking dust it off. Y'all, I know y'all see that cast. But y'all probably don't. Anyways, I'll go into my Morphe palette to bronze my face. As always, y'all should know that by now. If y'all don't, I bronze with eyeshadow. Hello. And it works perfectly fine. Alright, now I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner and line my eyes. It's black, by the way, of course. Then I took a dark brown lip liner. I forgot the shade name, or not the shade name, but the brand, because it's so old. Yeah. But yeah, back in the 90s, it was all about that dark lip liner. So I had to do it one time for the one time. Alright, then I took a NYX liquid lipstick, and it's kind of like a purple-ish shade. I really don't know the name, and I honestly don't feel like getting out of bed because I just worked 10 hours. So I'll leave it in the description though. Or will I? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. But no, I'll leave it in the description. Now I'm going to use my Urban Decay setting spray. And yeah, guys, that's the finished product. How do you guys like? I look so freaking good. Oh my god. Hey. See you guys in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Peace out. Peace.